Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. In this video lecturer, we are going to start the content of the course Engineering Mathematics with code 20SC01T of the new syllabus, that is C20 syllabus. Particularly in this session 1, we are going to start unit 1 matrices and determinants. The contents to be discussed in the present session 1 are: first point, we are going to discuss introduction to matrices. Second point, we are going to discuss definition of matrix. Third point, order of matrix. Fourth point, types of matrices. These are the 4 points we are going to discuss in today's session. Now that is session 1. After discussing 4 points, we are going to see some assignment questions related to 4 points. At last, we are going to see some multiple choice questions on these 4 concepts. Now, before starting the unit matrices and determinants, let us take a view on what is the content of the unit as per the syllabus. First point, that is 1.1 matrix and types. Second point, that is 1.2 algebra of matrices, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication and multiplication. Third point, that is 1.3 evaluation of determinants of square matrix of order 2 and 3 and singular matrices. Fourth point, that is 1.4 Cramer's rule for solving system of linear equations involving 2 and 3 variables. 1.5, that is fifth point, adjoint and inverse of non-singular matrices of order 2 and 3. Last point, that is sixth, 1.6 characteristic equation and eigen values of a square matrix of order 2. This is the contents to be discussed under the unit, that matrices and determinant as per the syllabus. Now, for this unit, total allotted hours is 10 hours, that is contact hours is 10 hours and marks allotted maximum is 20 marks. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು? 10 ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 20 hours. Now, before starting directly matrix and types, first we are going to see introduction to matrices. We are going to start first with introduction to matrices. Introduction to matrix. Then we are going to start, that is content, what is the matrix and types. First let us see with introduction to matrices. Now this word matrices is actually it is in plural form. Its singular form is matrix. Its singular form is what? Matrix. Means matrices is a plural form of the word matrix. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳು. ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ actually was originated in solving linear equations. In solving linear equations, system of linear equations with many variables. With 2 or 3 variables, it is very easy. If number of unknowns are more, it is very difficult to solve by some regular methods. In that case, they invented the concept of matrix to solve system of linear equations. And this word matrix was first coined by the mathematician J.J. Sylvester. J.J. Sylvester. This is about what? Introduction to matrices. What are the points we discussed? That is first point, the concept of matrices was originated in solving linear equations. The word matrix is Latin word, actually it is a Latin word for whom derived from matter. Next point, that is the word matrix was coined by James Joseph Sylvester in 1850. Next, matrices is a plural form of the word matrix. Matrices are used in almost all branches of the science and engineering. engineering. What are those applications? Uses ideyalla, what are some real time applications we are going to see? That matrices are used in computer graphics, in optics, in cryptography, in wireless communication and signal processing in electronics branch. Even in they are useful in commerce, that is to find simple interest, compound interest, that they are. And at last, any physical model which can be represented as a system of linear equation, because it is matrix is a very strong tool to solve system of linear equations. Therefore, you can use this application in any physical model which is represented as a system of linear equations. Other than this, they are useful also in social science and many other branches. Therefore, matrices is one of the strongest tool in almost all branches of the science, arts and engineering branches. Next, we are going to see definition of matrix. Now, to understand what is matrix, we are going to start with considering a example. One example na tagondu start ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Let us consider an example of number of students studying in different programs in our college. That is in semester, first semester, third semester and fifth semester. In our college, if there are 4 branches: civil engineering, computer science, electronics and mechanical engineering. In first semester, civil engineering first semester 57 student, computer science 56 student, electronics 50 students, mechanical 59. In third semester, civil 60, computer science 48, electronics 53, mechanical engineering 55. Now, fifth semester, civil 57, computer science 60, electronics 49, mechanical 51. This table gives the information about number of students studying in different programs in all semesters in a particular college. Now, this information can shortly written as like this, that is in vertical and horizontal arrangement. This is horizontal arrangement and it is vertical arrangement. Now, you can watch same table is shortly written in, that is horizontal and vertical arrangement. If for this arrangement, if you write a enclosure in the bracket, if this arrangement is enclosed in brackets like this arrangement is called as a matrix. And here this horizontal arrangement is called as row. And vertical arrangement is called as column. What? Column. Andre even numbers galanna row matte column alli arrange ಮಾಡಿ bracket alli ಬರೆದರೆ that arrangement is called as what? Matrix. Then what is the matrix? Matrix is an arrangement of numbers in rows and columns enclosed within the brackets. Particular arrangement ana word ge in particular they are going to use rectangular arrangement, because in the form of rectangle. Now, then what is the definition of matrix you can define? And a rectangular arrangement of numbers or it may be objects in rows and columns enclosed within the brackets is called as a matrix. And the brackets you are going to use here is either you can use square bracket or you can also use common bracket. Square bracket use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, common bracket use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then what is the definition is? A rectangular arrangement of numbers or objects in rows and columns enclosed within the brackets is called as a matrix. And usually matrix, this written matrix is denoted, written name as capital letters. Andre ee matrix anna capital letter use ಮಾಡಿ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, A or B or ಆ ಥರ. Now, examples for matrices. Example, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on matrix. B equal to B equal to U V X Y. ಈ ಥರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೀಬೋದು ನೀವು. These are the two examples. You can write as many as example. It is about the definition of matrix. Next ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ enclosed within the brackets is called as a matrix. Next, terminologies related to a matrix. You have to understand what are the new terminologies related to matrix. First term, you have to understand what is the row of a matrix. Next term, new words that are column of a matrix, elements of matrix, next order of matrix. These are the four basic terminologies related to matrix. You have to understand what is the meaning of row, column, element and order. These are the four basic terms used in matrix. Now here you can observe that here matrix, let us consider an example, that is same example, A equal to 57, 56. The numbers inside this matrix, what are the numbers written inside the matrix, are called as elements of matrix. What they are called as? Elements of a matrix. The numbers written in the matrix are called as elements of matrix, and this A is called as name given to matrix, that is name of a matrix. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ elements, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ನೌ what are the elements of a matrix ಅಂದರೆ the numbers written inside a matrix are called as elements of a matrix. Then next row, ಈ horizontal arrangement ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, this is called as row. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first this horizontal arrangement, that is first horizontal arrangement is 57, 56, 52, 59. This is called as a row. In particularly this is called as first row. In same way this is called as what? First row. This is second row and it is third row. The horizontal arrangement is called as what? Row. In same way vertical arrangement, this is the vertical arrangement. This vertical arrangement is called as what? Column. It is called as ಕಾಲಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾರಿಜೆಂಟಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ನೌ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ, ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3 rows 4 columns. 3 rows 4 columns. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ 48 ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಆ ಥರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ 49. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ fourth column is 59. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು ಏನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 59. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ 3 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ದ ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು matrix. That is complete. Next, ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದೆ? ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. That definition, the number of objects in a matrix are called as what? Entries are elements of a matrix. Next point, that to write a matrix you can use either square bracket or simple bracket. That simple bracket is also called as parenthesis. Next, the horizontal arrangement in a matrix is called as what? Row of a matrix. The vertical arrangement in a matrix is called as what? column of a matrix. The matrices are usually denoted by what? Capital letters, that is English alphabets. Now next terminology is order of matrix. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿರಾ? ರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜಿ we have to understand what is meaning of order of matrix. To understand order of matrix, let us consider an example. A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now to learn order of matrix, we should be thorough with that. What is row, what is column. Here how many rows are there? First row, second row. Number of rows are 2. 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 How many columns are there? 1 2 3. Number of columns equal to 3. Number of columns equal to 3. ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. 2 cross 3, it is read as 2 cross 3, or it is also read as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್? ಎ ಈಸ್ 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ರೋಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. B equal to matrix B equal to 2 3 1 0. What is this order is? First you have to write rows. How many rows are there? 1 2 2. How many columns? 1 2 cross 2. Then what is the order is? 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2. Now another example. UVW matrix X equal to UVW. You can check how many rows are there? 1 row. How many columns? 1 2 3 columns. 1 cross 3 order. 1 cross 3. ಅಂದರೆ in general ಆಗಿ how to define a order of matrix? If a matrix has m rows, if a matrix has m rows and n columns, then order is m cross n. What is the order is? M cross n. It is the general definition. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then what is the order is? M cross n. That is the definition. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then its order is said to be m cross n, and read it as m by n or m cross n. Examples. First example, matrix A equal to 3 1 minus 4 2 1 0. First you have to count rows. 1 row, 2, 3 rows. Therefore 3 columns 2. 3 cross 2. 3 cross 2. Second example, B equal to only 1 row, 1, 1, 2, 3 columns. Therefore 1 cross 3. Third example, X equal to 3 rows, 3 columns. Therefore what is the order is? 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. It is the definition of order of ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜೀಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋ? ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್? ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as what? Elements. What is the order is? Number of rows cross number of columns. Number of rows cross number of columns. Next, general form of a matrix. General form of a matrix. Now, if you take a matrix A equal to generally. I am not going to write the numbers here. Here, if it is first row, second row, first row, second row, and if there are two columns, first column, second column, first column, second column. Now, the element present here is element present in first row, first column. Here it is first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. ಅದನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ A equal to first row, first column. We don't know element, take it as A 1 1. This first one suffix indicates row, second column. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ A12 A12 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ A21 A21 A22 A22. This is the method to write general matrix of order 2 cross 2. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ AIJ ಬರ್ದೇವು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ith row jth column. ith row jth column. It is the method to write. It is a 2 cross 2. In general, if you take m cross n matrix, it is actually general form of a matrix. That is general matrix. A11 first row first column, A12 first row second column, A13 A1J first row jth column, A1N nth column. ಈ ಥರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ AM1 AM2 AM3 AMJ AMN. And another thing you have to remember that if there are m rows n columns, total number of elements equal to m into n. For example, if a matrix has 2 rows 3 columns, then there are totally how many elements are there? 6 elements. That also you have to remember. This is the general form of a matrix. Next concept we are going to start types of matrices. ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿರಾ, ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು types of matrices. There are different types of matrices and there are many types of matrices, but as per our syllabus we are limited to some of the types of the matrices. First type, that is zero matrix. You have to understand what is the meaning of zero matrix. Let us consider the example matrix 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now these type of matrices are called as zero matrix. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಜೀರೋ ಆದರೆ then that is called as zero matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are zero is called as zero matrix. ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಜೀರೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ zero matrix. What is the zero matrix is? A matrix in which all the elements are zero. That zero matrix definition, a matrix in which all elements are equal to 0 is called as zero matrix, or actually it is also called as null matrix. Zero matrix is also called as null matrix. A zero matrix is usually denoted by letter capital O. Actually usually it is denoted by capital O usually. Example, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ 0 0 0 0. Here I am not writing name because all are written as 0 only. O ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. No, these are the examples. What is zero matrix then? A matrix in which all the elements are equal to 0. Second type, row matrix. A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 4 0, X equal to 1 2 3 4. Now these are the examples of some matrix. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, how many rows are here? Only one row. How many rows? One row. How many rows? Two rows. Now row matrix ಅಂದರೆ matrix having only one row. Matrix having only one row. Is it a row matrix? Now it is not a row matrix because there are two rows. And what is row matrix is? Row matrix is a matrix having only one row. A matrix having only one row. A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. Is called as row matrix. Then what is the definition of row matrix? A matrix having only one row. Matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. Is called as row matrix. Example next ಬೇಕಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Is called as row matrix. Examples A equal to, but you have to write only one row, 1 2 3, x equal to u v. These are the examples for row matrix. Next, column matrix. Column matrix ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ row matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ರೋ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, column ಅಂದರೆ only one column. Example, that is A equal to 1 2 3. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ then that matrix is called as what? Column matrix. Then what is the definition of column matrix? Is a matrix with only one column. A matrix with only one column is called as column matrix. A matrix with only one column. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. Definition: a matrix having only one column is called as a column matrix. Example, you can give as many as examples. A equal to 5 0 minus 1, x equal to 7 3. These are the examples for column matrices. Next type is rectangular matrix. A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. B equal to 7 0 2 3. These are two matrices. Here you have to count number of rows and number of columns. In A, how many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns? 3. Here 2 rows, 2 columns. Here one of the difference is, in A, number of rows not equal to number of columns. In A, number of rows not equal to number of columns. But in B, number of rows equal to number of columns. A matrix in which number of rows not equal to number of columns is called as a rectangular matrix. What it is called as? Rectangular matrix. One equal idre, if number of rows equal to number of columns, then that is called as square matrix. That is next type. Now, if in a matrix number of rows is equal to number of columns, that is called as rectangular matrix. If number of rows not equal to number of columns, then it is called as square matrix. Rows ಮತ್ತೆ columns same number ಇದ್ದರಲ್ಲೇ that is called as square. Same ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ rectangular matrix. Then what is the definition of rectangular matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to number of columns is called as rectangular matrix. Examples: A equal to 1 2 0 5 3 minus 7. This is the first example. X equal to 1 3 4. This is a rectangular matrix because number of rows not equal to number of columns. These are the two examples for rectangular matrices. Next is square matrix. Just only told, if number of rows equal to number of columns, rows ಮತ್ತೆ columns equal ಇದ್ರೆ, then that matrix is called as square matrix. Then what is the definition of square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called as a square matrix. Example A equal to matrix A equal to 2, 3, 5, 6. Now 2 rows, 2 columns. Therefore, it is a square matrix. B equal to 0, 5, minus 3, 2, 7, 9, 3, 1, 4. Now, in this matrix there are 3 rows, 3 columns. They are equal. Therefore, it is a square matrix. Next, it is not a type. Principal diagonal elements, that one of the term related to square matrix. If you consider a square matrix, for example, A equal to, let us consider a square matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Here the line from left top corner to right bottom corner, this line, imaginary line, this line is called as principal diagonal. What it is called as? Principal diagonal. Ee line annu entu karitare andre principal diagonal. Illinda ellige left top corner to right bottom corner, and the elements lying along this line are called as principal diagonal elements. Here what are the principal diagonal elements are? 1, 5, 9. What they are called as? Principal diagonal elements. What are those principal diagonal elements are? 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. Then what are the principal diagonal elements? In a square matrix, the elements lying on line from left top corner to right bottom corner are called as principal diagonal elements. That is the definition is, in a square matrix, the elements lying on a line from left top corner to right bottom corner are called as principal diagonal elements, or sometimes simply diagonal elements. Example, in a matrix A equal to 7, 3, 2, 4, 5, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. It is a square matrix. Now, in this square matrix, what are the principal diagonal elements are? 7, 5, 0. What are the principal diagonal elements are? 7, 5, 0. 7, 5, 0 enagutte principal diagonal elements. Another example, that is 2 cross 2, 2, 0, 5, 7. What are the principal diagonal elements? 2, 7, 2, 7, 2 and 7 are principal diagonal elements. And another thing you have to remember, that square matrix andre onnosari enagutte square matrix of order 3 anta baritare. That is understood that there are 3 rows, 3 columns. Order idaga 3 cross 3 bariyalla onnosari order 3 anta baritare, because in square matrix number of rows equal to number of columns. That indicates order is what? 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3. Next, by using this principal diagonal elements, next we are going to define next type, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. If in a square matrix, that is A equal to 7, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. You can observe that in this square matrix, the elements other than diagonal elements are zeros. This type of matrix is called as what? Diagonal matrix. Is called as diagonal matrix. Yav matrix alli diagonal element bittu udella numbers 0 agirutte, that matrix is called as what? Diagonal matrix. Then what is the definition of diagonal matrix? a square matrix in which the elements except principal diagonal elements are 0, then that matrix is called as what? Diagonal matrix. That is the definition. A square matrix in which all the elements except the principal diagonal elements are 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Examples: A equal to 7 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 2. Here diagonal elements are 7 5 2 and other elements are 0. X equal to, you can write also 2 cross 2, 3 0 0 minus 1. It is a diagonal matrix. Next is scalar matrix. If in a diagonal matrix, if all the diagonal elements are equal, like that is 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5, you can observe that it is a diagonal matrix, and in particularly all diagonal elements are equal. This type of matrix is called as scalar matrix. You can define this scalar matrix in now two ways. That is, first, a square matrix in which all principal diagonal elements are equal and other elements are 0 is called as scalar matrix. Or you can also define as, in a diagonal matrix, if all diagonal elements are equal, then it is called as a scalar matrix. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ all the elements except principal diagonal are 0 and diagonal elements are equal is called as a scalar matrix. Examples ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. x equal to 5 0 0 5, it is 2 cross 2 scalar matrix. Y equal to -7 0 0 0 -7 0 0 0 -7. It is a scalar example for scalar matrix. Next one, that is last one, unit matrix, and it is also called as identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. If in a square matrix all diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0, then that matrix is called as what? Unit matrix. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 0 1 0 0 0 1 ಈ ಥರ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 1, that is also called as a unit matrix. What is the definition is, in a square matrix if all principal diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0, then that is called as unit matrix. Now usually unit matrix, that is also called as identity matrix, is denoted by I. ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I ಬಂದರೆ what it indicates? It indicates identity matrix. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 cross 3 ದಿ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು sometimes we are going to write I3 identity matrix of third order. I2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 0 0 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now what is the definition of unit matrix? A square matrix in which all the elements except principal diagonal are 0 and diagonal elements are equal to 1 is called as an unit matrix or identity matrix. Usually identity matrix is denoted by what? Letter I. Examples I ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I2 I3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. I2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 0 0 1. Second example, I3, that is third order. Third order is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now these are the types of the matrix we have studied. What are the types we studied? First we studied zero matrix, next row matrix, next column matrix, next rectangular matrix, ಅದಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ diagonal matrix, then scalar matrix, last one unit matrix. These are the 8 types we studied. What is the zero matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ? A matrix in which all the elements are equal to 0. A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. A matrix having only one column is called as column matrix. A matrix in which number of rows not equal to number of columns is called as rectangular matrix. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns is called as square matrix. In a square matrix in which principal diagonal elements are not equal to 0, other elements are 0 is called as diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all principal diagonals are equal and other elements are 0 is called as a scalar matrix. Last one is a matrix in which a square matrix in which principal diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0 is called as unit matrix. Is called as what? Unit matrix. Now these are the 8 types of matrices. Next we are going to see some assignment questions. Define a matrix with an example. You have to write definition and an example. Define order of matrix. You have to write definition of order of matrix. Third, define zero matrix with an example. You have to define zero matrix and give an example. Fourth question, define row matrix, give an example. Fifth question, define column matrix with an example. Sixth one, define a rectangular matrix with an example. Define square matrix, give an example. Eighth question, define diagonal matrix with an example. Ninth question, define scalar matrix with an example. 10th one is define unit matrix with an example. Define unit matrix with an example. Next question number 11. If sometimes if questions are depth, they may ask give an example or write a matrix which is diagonal but not scalar. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಥರನೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 12, write a matrix of order 3x4 ಈ ಥರನೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಫ್ x 0 0 5 is scalar matrix, then find x, ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Already you know that what is scalar matrix, diagonal elements are equal, diagonal elements are equal. Here what is the diagonal element is 5, then compulsory x must be also 5. Therefore, what is the answer is x equal to 5, x equal to 5. Now, these are some assignment questions related to the 4 concept discussed till now. What are the 4? That introduction to matrices, the definition of matrix, order of matrix and types of matrices. Next concept is multiplication of matrices. Next we are going to see some multiple choice questions. First question, that is multiple choice question 1. The horizontal arrangement in a matrix is called as option A, row of a matrix, option B, column of a matrix, option C, order of a matrix, option D, none of these. Now, if you take a matrix A equal to, if you consider any one matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ arrangement, what it is called as row of a matrix, what it is called as row of a matrix. Then which option is correct? Option is that is row of a matrix. Therefore, option A is a correct option, option A is a correct option. Next, second question, the vertical arrangement in a matrix is called as option A, row of matrix, option B, column of a matrix, option C, order of a matrix, option D, none of these. Now, if you consider any one matrix, again A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vertical arrangement andre this arrangement. This vertical arrangement is what we are going to call? It is called as column of a matrix. Then which option is correct option? That is option B, column of a matrix. Option B is correct option, that is column of a matrix. Next, third question, question number 3. The order of matrix A 2, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6 is option A 2 cross 2, option B 3 cross 2, option C 2 cross 3, option D 3 cross 3. Now, given matrix is A equal to 2, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. Therefore, what is the order is 2 cross 3. Order is 2 cross 3. Then which option is correct option? That option C is correct option. Option C is correct option. That is 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Next, question number 4. Which of the following is a scalar matrix? As per the definition, what is scalar matrix? It must be a square and diagonal elements are equal. First option, it is a square, all non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are 3, 3, minus 3. This is not a 3, all are not same, therefore it is not a scalar matrix. 3, 5, minus 3, it is also not a scalar matrix. And here non-diagonal elements are not equal to 0, therefore it is not a scalar matrix. Now, you can observe here 3, 3, 3, all diagonal elements are equal and other elements are 0, therefore it is a correct option. Therefore, which option is correct option? Option D is correct option. Last question, that is question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following is an identity matrix? In identity matrix, diagonal elements are equal to 1 and other elements are 0. In a square matrix, 1, 1, 1, other are 0. It is a identity matrix. Check for other option also. 1, 0, 0, 1. It is also identity matrix. Therefore, which option is correct option agutte? A no agutte, B no agutte. Therefore, both A and B. Therefore, option C is correct option. Option C is correct option. Option C is correct option. These are some multiple choice questions related to the discussed concepts. Now, summary of the session. In this session, what we have discussed? We discussed introduction to matrices, definition of matrix with some terminologies related to it. Third point we discussed order of matrix. Next, types of matrices. In next session, that is in session 2, we are going to discuss first point algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices. Second point, under algebra of matrices, we are going to discuss scalar multiplication, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. These are the 4 points we are going to discuss in session 2. Thank you for your listening.